Hey Fantastic family, welcome back to another video. Guys, today's video is short and spicy. So we were home and decided that we were bored inside the house, and so we just wanted to step out, get some fresh air, get something to eat. The kids are on break, so we just wanted to leave the house, if you understand. So come with us on this journey.
Yes, my sugar.
So happy.
You so happy? Okay.
So after driving, we spotted a Golden Krust, and the Jamaican in me, in my children and my husband, couldn't pass. If you know, you know. We have to get some Jamaican beef patties. It's my favorite. The kids love it too. So check it out. We're gonna get some beef patties. So before we get the beef patties, I don't know why the video decided to go in slow motion, but anyway, everybody, meet RJ. This is my older son. Shy, really shy, doesn't want to be on the camera. I recorded a few videos and he's like, "Mommy, don't put those up, please." So I respect that, not putting it up, but everybody say hi to RJ. People, I don't know if I'm alone, but I get excited about patties. Like, I just love beef patty. Since school days, I love patty. And I just can't wait to just get one real tasty patty. But the Golden Krust hit the spot. It was really good. Just the facial expression tells it all. Mission complete. So guys, you can go ahead and check out Golden Krust to get your Jamaican beef patties. You can get jerk chicken, curry chicken, you can get the beef patties. It is really good. It was a fantastic day. The kids had fun. I know you enjoyed watching the video. Please go ahead and subscribe. Please do the right thing and subscribe. Join the Funtastic family. Remember to like, share, comment, and until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.